Hi, you are welcome to my YouTube video. If you need 12-month updated discount coupon for any website, fast subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to get this website working coupon code discount, go to my YouTube video description. You will see right now the updated discount and coupons. Click Shop Now button, you will get the discount. Also, if you want, you can copy the coupon, apply in the coupon option. 10% off, 20% off, and up to 50% off you will get. Every month, all the updated coupon you will get here. Also, you will get Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday, and weekly updated deals and discount. If you need discount and coupon code for others' website and service, check out the second discount link, then on the search option. You can search with any keyword or website name. Enjoy the discount and coupon you are looking for. You can check out my YouTube Others video. I help people with the right guideline. That will also help you to save money with confidence. If my video help you write few words in the comments. Make sure you share this video with your friends. They will also save money. Thanks for watching.